Currently I'm the Deputy CIO at ASU, which means I run the office of the CIO, and I used to spend a lot of time in the BI world doing whatever the CIO wants to do, but still have a role in strategic BI work at ASU. Looking at seeing how we can make sure that we can deliver information to faculty, to staff, making sure that our administrators have the appropriate data to make the decisions that they need to make. That's really what I try to do, to make sure that all the systems have the appropriate granularity of data, making sure that the data is easy to consume and easy to understand. We had spent a lot of time and money and energy building a data warehouse, but it was still very hard to get access to that information, or you had to be a rocket scientist to access the data, and not everyone's a rocket scientist at ASU, even though we have a lot of rocket scientists. And how do we lower the cost of consumption of information? That was really what we were trying to do, and Domo allowed us to do that. Easy access to data, visualizations, just easier to consume that information. At the time, we were looking at a lot of the players in the space, whether it was Cognos, Business Objects. We're actually a Hyperion interactive reporting shop, the old Brio product. And we had tried building out visualizations and dashboards within that tool, but it just wasn't a sweet spot for that tool. So, instead of having only one tool, we thought, let's have multiple tools in our BI arsenal, and that's when Domo became one of those extra tools in our arsenal. We've looked at the Tableaus of the world, we looked at the click views, some of the in-memory tools out there, but we still really want an enterprise solution, and Domo is that enterprise solution for us. We know that the president uses Domo and our dashboards to make sure to see how research dollars are on a monthly basis, so we clearly know that happens. And Domo helps us support the mission of the university by just providing access to information, by giving senior leadership access to the information to help them make the decisions that they need to do. We're truly a data-driven university, and our senior leadership are data-driven, and they need information, and they need it to be easier consumed, and so that's what Domo helps us do. Several times on campus, I've had colleagues who I haven't seen in a while who will give me a hug to say, "Hey John, thanks for making this data easy to consume now, and before it was hard to consume, and now it's easy." So that's one of the benefits I see. What it would take several hours to do, I can just do in a few minutes now with Domo. Some of the next steps I see with Domo and ASU, I think we're clearly looking at, we're doing a lot with mobile devices now. Our incoming students are demanding a lot with technology, and I think they're looking for some solutions that are mobile enabled. So we've had a great experience working with the folks at Domo. We've gotten to know them, and they've become like our friends, and we feel like they're helping us and we're helping them by this partnership. And whenever we have new technology, new visualizations, we've been able to go to them, show them the use cases, and then quickly turn around some solutions that really truly help our solution that's out there. If you're looking at other BI solutions out there, I think that you should consider multiple BI tools as part of your arsenal. I think that Domo has another sweet spot that these tools just don't offer, and it's a lightweight solution that you don't have to have huge investment into the architecture, and if it's going to the cloud, you can't help but to recognize that capability. The best part about being a Domo customer is that we provide great service, and I can say truly we're loved on campus. And you want to build products that are being used, and Domo has allowed us to build great product and that's being used, and it's really helping advance the institution and the university, and you can't ask for a better thing than that. We're very excited about the future of Domo.